Hello, my name is Ile and I'm with MyMusicRx. One of my favorite songs that makes me very happy is the song Canta by Cheo Feliciano, a salsa singer from Puerto Rico.
Se me parte el corazón cuando...
I love it so much that I have it tattooed on my wrist. It's a song that basically says sing and forget your pains, and it's salsa music, a cha-cha-cha, and it makes me want to dance. It's a long song, so I dance that song like for 7 minutes, and I enjoy it a lot, and every time I need like a boost, it helps me a lot. So Canta from Cheo Feliciano.
Rumbero, llénate de alegría, ponte a cantar toda la noche, pero como yo